Hey everyone, welcome back. If you lost access to your Marcus account, follow these steps to recover it. First of all, open your Marcus app and then tap Trouble Logging In. After that, verify your identity by entering your registered email or your username. Now, follow the instructions sent through email. In email, check for the instructions that were sent. If you don't see it there, check your spam or trash. Try to refresh your email by swiping it downwards from the screen, and if you have sent through your number, then check your SMS and also try to refresh it by swiping down from the screen. Now answer any security questions correctly to regain access. Make sure to answer the questions correctly so you do not have to face further problems. Once your identity is verified, your account will be restored and you can log in as usual. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.